Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial on how to invite team members to your team. First, you need to log into the Fishial.AI portal. After you land on the welcome page, you need to scroll down to the team page. Click on team and then click on team settings. Here you will see the thumbnail of the team profile picture, the team name, a short bio about the team, and then over here you will see all of your team members. At the top, you will be able to invite new team members to your team. You will type in their email addresses here, separated by a space. And you can continue adding as many as you need. Then you will click on this blue invite button, and you will get a notification on the bottom that the invitation has been sent via email. Thank you for joining this instructional tutorial on how to invite new team members to the team.